In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo as a comment on Instagram. Now, it's important to know that this is new for Instagram, so make sure that your app is fully up to date. What you can do is go ahead to your app store, and you can go to your profile at the top right-hand corner, and then go under app updates, and just make sure that your Instagram does not need an update. If it does, go ahead and update the app. So once that's done, come out of here, and let's go to Instagram. Now, it's important to know that you can only comment a photo if the user allows it. So what we can do is let's go to this comment here or this post here and go ahead and click on the comment section. And as you see at the very bottom, it has an option for a photo. So if we were to click a photo, we would be able to leave a comment here, and then we would be able to send a comment, but it's an actual photo. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and send photos as a comment on Instagram posts.